Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a single config. Properties file in src/main/resources, so Selenium reads one authoritative source. Load keys like browser, base URL, implicit weight, and keep values simple. Avoid spaces and complex formatting. Once done, make sure the file is on the class path so your test runner can find it. You'll use Java, util, properties to read it at startup. This centralizes environment switches and prevents hard coding. From here, you'll wire the properties object into your WebDriver factory for the first actionable integration step. Now you load and parse the file in a reusable configuration class. You'll use properties props equals new properties and try with resources to open file input stream from class path. Once loaded, fetch values with props. Get property, key, and convert types explicitly integer. Parse int for numbers Boolean, parse Boolean for flags, so Selenium gets correct types. Make sure to trim and validate defaults. If a value is missing, provide a safe fallback. After parsing, pass a typed config object into your WebDriver factory to control browser selection. Finally, use the parsed properties to configure WebDriver and test setup. You map browser names to a factory that returns Chrome options or Firefox options, apply headless and capability flags from Boolean properties, and set implicit/explicit timeouts from numeric values. Once driver is created, navigate to base URL and run tests. If something goes wrong, check one key troubleshooting tip. Validate the config path and class path placement, and enable a simple printed dump of loaded properties so you can confirm values before the driver starts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.